In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your featured collection section on Shopify. Whether you're looking to showcase new arrivals, spotlight a specific collection, or simply refresh the look of your online store, customizing this section can have a big impact on the overall aesthetic and functionality of your site. So, let's dive right into the process. To begin, you'll need to access your Shopify site editor. Once you're in, navigate to the page that contains the featured collection section you want to customize. This section is typically found on your home page, but depending on how your store is set up, it might be elsewhere. It's important to familiarize yourself with the layout of your store so you can locate this section easily. When you find the featured collection, go ahead and click on it. Upon doing so, you'll notice that its properties become accessible on the right panel. This is your customization workspace, where the magic starts to happen. Keep in mind that the options available to you here will largely depend on the current theme you are using. Shopify themes are designed with different levels of flexibility and customization in mind. So if you're not seeing the exact options discussed here, don't worry. There might be similar features or alternative ways to achieve your desired look. Now, once you have this panel open, it's time to start customizing. You might want to change the collection being featured. This is great for keeping content fresh and relevant, especially if you have seasonal products or promotions. You can also adjust the number of columns in the collection display. A larger number of columns can showcase more products at a glance, which is perfect if you have a wide array of items, while fewer columns might create a more focused, minimalistic look. Don't forget the smaller details like text size, which can make a big difference in readability and stylistic coherence. You'll want to ensure that your text is not only readable, but also aesthetically in line with the rest of your site. These tweaks are all about finding a balance that aligns with your brand image and enhances user experience, so don't be afraid to experiment. Once you've made all your changes, the crucial last step is to click Save. This ensures all the adjustments you've carefully implemented are applied and visible to your site visitors. And there you have it, your newly customized featured collection section, tailored to captivate your audience and meet your store's unique needs. Thank you for watching, and I hope this walkthrough has helped you in your Shopify customization journey. See you in the next video.